This was not the news the residents in Shooters Hill in St. Andrew were expecting on Friday morning after the body of a male occupant and a resident of the community body was found after a massive landslide that took his house from where it stand. Also, a search was carried out for the 15-year-old daughter of the male occupant, and tragically, she was found unresponsive just a few hours ago. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk. This is our updated version of a previous report that we brought to you about this story. And sad to say, it has ended with the worst news that we could ever bring to you. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk. So the search that was on the way for a male occupant of a house and a 15-year-old girl that were both swept away in St. Andrew in an area known as Shooters Hill has ended in tragedy based on the fact that the body of the two individuals have now been found and they are presumed dead based on the current circumstances in which their body was found. So on Friday, this incident took place around 7 a.m. in the Shooters Hill community after the country experienced torrential rainfall from in the night leading into the morning, which caused a massive landslide in that area. Residents searched on Friday leading into Saturday just in order to see if they could bring some level of normalcy to the community and try to find the female's body. However, their search ended yesterday when her body was found. So the individual has been identified as Romeo Leachman. The search to locate the 15-year-old girl in Shooters Hill, St. Andrew, who went missing after her house and the house which she shared with her father got covered in a mudslide and Friday ended in tragedy. Reports are that the body of the child, identified as Shanika Leachman, was found by family members and local authorities around 11:30 a.m. on Saturday morning. This was after a massive search was launched from Friday leading into Saturday, and this was the discovery that was made yesterday afternoon. The discovery comes several hours after the body of 42-year-old father Romeo Leachman was found beneath a pile of rubble in the community on Friday. Reports are that the father and daughter were reportedly asleep inside their house on Friday when the rain-induced landslide swept the wooden house in which they live meters down a slope in a section of the community called Toby's Gully or Passion Gardens. There was a heavy rainfall during the night leading into the morning, which the Meteorological Service of Jamaica said it was a persistent rainfall due to a low pressure during or a part of the Western Caribbean at the time. The Met Service said that light to moderate showers continued throughout the morning and led to this happening. But I can tell you this is just such a sad situation. And we here at Links W7 TV, we were hoping for the best in this situation, knowing that the father body was found on Friday, and we were just hoping that the female might have just been trapped underneath the mud. However, she did not survive the attack as well. And I can tell you that this is a sad situation. This has left the entire Shooters Hill community in St. Andrew in shock. And I can tell you that this incident just occurred in the wee hours of Friday morning when they would be sleeping. So can you just imagine you laying in bed having a nap and this transpired to your house? It was said to be a wooden structure and it was located on a hill basically, and due to the induced rain that the country experienced, and the soil itself, the soil became so soft that it just caused the entire structure or the entire foundation that the house was built on to just be swept away down in the gully. And this caused a massive surge led by the firefighters and also other local authorities, including community members, turn out in their numbers just in order to help with the search, in order to locate them. As I've said before, the father's body was found on Friday, and yesterday around 11:30 the discovery was made, and that's a shocking discovery of Shanika Leachman as well. The residents were hoping that they might have found her alive, but those hopes were dampened when it was discovered that her body was found. Community members wept openly and shared their sentiments and also sent their condolences to the family and friends. A number of people have also took to social media just in order to send their condolences to the family at this time. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt condolences to the family, friends, and also the school community to which this teenage girl would have been a part of during this difficult time. We here just want to express our sincere condolence as well just to those individuals and also other individuals who have been associated with them. I know that this is going to be a difficult time for them coping with this situation. Not even one, but two family members all at once. This is going to be very difficult even for the mother of the female as well, and even other family members would have been around them and know what the life they were living. I can just tell you that this is so sad. But this just goes to show you that we have to value life, and we don't know the minute or the hour when certain unforeseen circumstances can just happen. These two people, they were in their bed asleep when this unfortunate situation occurred. They did not put themselves in danger, but somehow danger found them, and this was the end. And I can tell you that we really need to just put some more value in life and start thinking in a more positive way, because we don't know when certain things can just happen. Look at this family here. It's left devastated right now based on this. No one was aware that this would have happened, and it happened throughout the night leading into the morning. So we really need to just think about life and think of how we live in this current era that we're in, and just try to be kind to one another, because we don't know when something such as this, or not even such as this, but something tragic can happen. And we just want to say that I hope that the family just find the strength to cope during this difficult time, because I know it's going to be hard for them, not coping with one but two family members all at once. It's going to be a difficult time. I was hoping to report that she was found and she was just trapped under the rubble. However, that report was significantly dampened based on the results that I received earlier today. But this is where we're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV exclusive Let's Talk report, and this is an updated version of a previous report I did earlier on when the body of the male occupant was found, Romeo Leachman. Such a sad story coming outside of Shooters Hill in St. Andrew. I just want to take this opportunity as well just to thank the residents in that area that came out in their numbers as well, just in order to aid with the authorities in the search for the father and the female. Well done. I'm gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and please remember, just like, share, subscribe to the channel, become a part of the Links TV family. All right, peace out, bless.
What's up, Mr. Bradboard? What's up, Mr. Bradboard? Hello, them floor, the people them come.
Barry, she can't stay there, so I have to put her here, say, I'm up. She have to roll over back over this stuff. Yeah, bring her out this stuff.
One the next part.
Hey, one the next part I shake you.